Good day everyone, good day my viewers and good day my viewers. Today I'll be taking you mathematics and this is a past question, JAMB 2017, and today's topic is mean. Sit down, relax and watch. Question 7, so this is a table, okay? So it has a what? A score and a frequency. So score 5 is having a frequency of 3, score 8 frequency 1, score 3 frequency 5, score 2 frequency 6. From the table above, calculate the mean of the scores. So these are the options. Solution. Okay, so draw out your table. Take note this table was in horizontal form, so I want to make it to be in vertical form for easy calculation. Okay, so I'm going to put my score here. I'm going to label my score as S. I'm going to put my frequency here. I'm going to label my frequency as F. Okay, so I'm going to put here Fs. So don't worry, when we get to that, I'll explain why I'm using Fs. So let's go 5, 8, 3, 2. So the frequency is now giving us 3156. Okay, so let's go. So Fs here means we're going to multiply the score times the frequency. So let's go. 5 times 3, you have 15. 8 times 1, you have 8. 3 times 5, you have 15. 2 times 6, you have 12. Okay, so now when you get to this part, this is summation of the frequency. While here is summation of Fs. So what is summation of the frequency? You add 3 plus 1, you have 4. 4 plus 5, you have 9. 9 plus 6, you have 15. So let's go for this. 15 plus 8 plus 15 plus 12. And what do you have? You have 50. Now, why solving mean? Or if you're solving mean has a formula. So the formula for mean, which is S bar, take note, this S bar is giving us the summation of Fs over summation of F. Now, what is summation of Fs? We have solved it here to be what? 50. Bring your 50 down. What is summation of F here? Is 15. So we go 50 divided by 15. What do you have? You have 3.333. Approximately, you go back to your option. The one that suits it is what? 3.3. So approximately 3.3. And that is option D. And that is our answer. And this is how you solve question involving mean. Tabular form. Always take note of the formula. Summation of Fs over summation of F. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for viewing. Please like, share and comment. If you know you're interested in my online class, please give me a DM. I'm very, very available. I still remain teacher Patrick. See you next time again. Bye bye.